Hey guys, yeah, I'm back on my tour. I'm watching Charles Trippy, Fan 4. Yeah. So again, I have a tour and I have a problem. That's why it's 3 a.m. Look at this. It's 3 freaking a.m. in the morning. And I have a problem how to get to my meeting point. Oh god. And 3 a.m. the Philippines. I don't know if there are any jeeps or buses or even a tricycle or a pedicab that is roaming around trying to find customers because I don't have a car. Oh god. And I might be late. I hate being late. I tried to do it an hour because last video I was like in my meeting point like 3:30 in the morning, but we are supposed to be there at 4. So pray for me that I don't get lost, not like last time. Last time I just drove into a wrong jeep. Weird thing happened to me. I was about to fumigate my room and I was about to go out the door when I forgot to close the freaking light. I hate myself. And you cannot see me on this light. Back, okay. I'm here in the busiest street ever, EDSA. That is the EDSA Shrine. This is where the EDSA, the People Power Revolution of the People Power Revolution #1, which was to topple off the Marcos regime. And this is also, we're in an underpass. This is under a train, technically. And I am skipping like crazy. Okay, we're in the color. This is also where the 2001 People Power took place, toppling a corrupt president. Estrada. I'm not naming names. Moving on. So, I'm thinking here on the same channel that I will do some kind of obscure prodigy of a OPM song, OPM meaning Only Philippine Music, about any Doctor Who episode I could think of. I'm thinking like Kamikaze, and some of my Filipino friends who would like Doctor Who will know this, with Amy's Choice. Maybe, maybe not. This will be a very interesting tour. It's raining. Never been rain. A raining tour. But there wasn't that one. Yay, we're here. So it took me like a bus ride and 4 jeepney rides to take me to my meeting place. But thank God I'm here. I'm gonna find my tour guides, my fellow tour guides, and see what happens. I want to show you this later, maybe in the morning. This is a beautiful church. They all left. I was gonna film them, but they all left. That was weird. Yay, I'm chilling. I'm lining. I'm here with Kuya Bernie, Kuya Benji, Ate, we are at a factory. Somewhere, it is close location, I cannot tell. It's a certain things. Uy! So, a break. Let's see. I don't want to. I'm just knackered. But I don't feel tired. Man, I didn't sleep all day. I slept the whole day last day. heart, walk to Jollibee. I just wanna say that. I wanna say, I got double legs. To say.
Lagyan mo ng lagyan mo ng narration pag in-upload mo. This is how we do it in Malikay. First, you open your eyes. Then, bahala na. Hindi na kayo? Hindi na kayo. Uy, mas kaya. This is Philippine fast food. Ayan, wow, ketchup. Evan, pag ako sabaw itong food dito, asal.
Wait. Here's Kuya Bernie. Kuya Bern! YouTube to Kaya ilagay ko sa Facebook.
Ito, si Erwin.
Si Erwin.
Dito naman.
Julius. Sheila.
Ayan.
Ivanji.
Dito yan. Castillejo.
The other side. Yes. We're bored. We're all going to Ilocos region. Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur. I am envious. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Ate Banji! I just finished rounding up some of my tours.
Pwede! Woo! Ganun mo naman daw. Sila pinakawala.
I am tired. Tired. Tired.
I'm feeling.
Okay guys, I have a problem. I just received a text that I have a tour tomorrow at 3:30 in the morning. And tomorrow, Saturday, tomorrow, Friday, from the other part of the world who's late. And I'm planning to go to MetroCon 2010 and meet Comicero, YouTuber, Jerry Goodman, comic book artist for Marvel. He's done Elmer, and where Bold Stars Go to Help. Very good graphic artist. I like the writing of Elmer. I really want to buy the book, but I don't have the time. So I made an executive decision. My decision to cancel that thing with the MetroCon, or maybe I'll go on Sunday. And continue with my tour. And also I do really want to do my cosplay, because I'm trying to make my Doctor Who cosplay, but I don't have the 3 jacket, because 3 jackets are hard to find. Kaya po, I've been searching a lot of trips ukay-ukays for ye youngers, but no, I can't find any 3 jackets. Yeah, maybe next time, because he has another one, same day, August, same month, and he's gonna be on another mall. Yeah, maybe I'll go on another mall, the other place, because he's the only one I really want to meet. And yeah, there's nothing at MetroCon 2010 that will interest me. I'm not slacking them or like cutting them, but as a Doctor Who fan, there's nothing that I would have any interest whatsoever. On a lighter note, has anyone seen Fuck Me Ray Bradley? Seriously, I do not get any of the references, but it's still funny. Comments, comment, come on, comment below. I need comments. I need your comments to live. Well, slight. Come on, comment. So I'm going back home, and tomorrow I will meet, well, in a few hours tops. I will be back on another series. Can I maintain this vlog for like a week? No, mysteries. Hard to be asked. But stupid, I know. Go with it.